A retired PBSO deputy is on trial for murder, charged with killing his son-in-law nearly 2 years ago. And today he took the stand in his own defense. Carlton Nebergall testified for nearly 2 hours, recounting what happened and claiming he feared for his life. WPTV News Channel 5's Ryan Hughes was in court and is live downtown with the emotional testimony. Ryan?
And Kelly, today in court, defense attorneys asking the judge to throw out the murder charges and instead convict Nebergall with manslaughter. But the blockbuster moment coming when the retired deputy took the stand admitting that he shot his son-in-law, but he claims in self-defense. Carlton Nebergall Jr. taking the stand, recounting the night of February 18, 2018, when his son-in-law was shot in the head outside his home in Loxahatchee. The retired PBSO deputy says he heard his daughter and her estranged husband, Jacob Lodge, arguing after he dropped off clothes for their 2 boys.
I hear 2 voices screaming at each other.
Nebergall testified Lodge had a history of violence and his daughter recently filed for divorce. He told the jury he walked outside that night with a loaded revolver and fired a warning shot into the air.
I raised the pistol into the air, pointed it off to the east, and I fired 1 round into the air.
Nebergall says Lodge then got into his car and started driving away when all of a sudden he stops, opens the door, and appears to be looking for something. Nebergall told the court he believed Lodge had a gun and claims he was in fear of his life when he shot Lodge in the head.
He slammed the door. He started to make an aggressive move towards me, yelling, "You're going to shoot me! You're going to shoot me!"
Prosecutors tried poking holes in Nebergall's story. They also showed aerial video in court showing the retired deputy leave the area, sit by a tree, and then lay on the ground under a neighbor's car as police arrived. Minutes later, he could be seen with his hands up, turning himself in. And Nebergall's daughter also testified last week against her father. Today, both the state and defense attorneys rested their case. Closing arguments will be heard tomorrow morning, and then the jury will start deliberating. We're live tonight outside the courthouse in downtown West Palm Beach. Ryan Hughes, WPTV News Channel 5.